getting started. आवाज नहीं आ रही
जसप्रीत सर, कहीं कहीं ना आपकी जो ये जो म्यूजिक चल रहा है ना, कहीं कहीं ये स्क्रीची हो जाता है, मतलब कि चुभने लग जाता है।
मिस हो रहा है,
मिस नहीं होता, कहीं कहीं ज्यादा ऊंचा हो जाता है।
जी मैम, ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ, वॉल्यूम कम कर लेता हूँ।
हाँ, उसकी थोड़ी सी वॉल्यूम आपको बास पे डालनी है।
जी मैम, कोई बात नहीं।
Rajan sir, I have 10 names in my list. Senior Study, Bhavan, Springdale, Ramashram, Pine Groves, Cambridge, Guru Nanak Dev, DAV, Bhikwan, Jammu Sanskriti School. Is any other school who has joined? Pillars Institute. One is Pillars Institute and one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
MKD DAV. एक गुरु
Yes.
नानक देव डीएवी है, एक एमकेडी डीवी है ना?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
तो इसके सिवाय भी और कोई स्कूल है? एक पिलर्स है, पिलर्स एकेडमी इंस्टीट्यूट जम्मू, एक है संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू, और भी कोई स्कूल है? अमृतसर के सीनियर स्टडी, भवन, स्प्रिंगडेल, रामाश्रम एंड कैम्ब्रिज।
Yes, ma'am.
और भी कोई स्कूल्स हैं? बस ये बनते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 schools.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And
Ten.
DPS, it would be 11.
5 6 7 8 9 10. हाँ, when we include our school then 11. मेरे ख्याल सब बच्चों ने ज्वाइन कर लिया। आपने अटेंडेंस चेक करी?
Ma'am, Jatinder sir is checking actually.
ओके।
Yeah.
राधा मैम इज प्रिपेयरिंग रिपोर्ट। राधा को मैंने मॉर्निंग में बता दिया था। शी इज राइटिंग अ शॉर्ट रिपोर्ट।
Right, ma'am.
तो शी सेंड इट टू यू। आप उसको देख लेना और उसके बाद दैट रिपोर्ट आप यू सेंड इट टू मिस्टर सतेंद्र सिंह फॉर पंजाबी ट्रांसलेशन।
Right, ma'am.
ठीक है, और अमृत को भेज देना। तो शो दिस कैन बी सेंड टू प्रेस इफ दे कवर। हिंदी में भी बनानी पड़ेगी, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो देखें प्रेस हमें कितना कवर करती है। ट्रिब्यून में अगर किसी को कोई जान पहचान है तो ट्रिब्यून में हम इसको कोशिश करते हैं लगवाने की। आई विल यू सेंड अ कॉपी टू मी ऑल्सो। मैं अपने जो हमारा पीआर देखता है उसके थ्रू ट्रिब्यून में भी भिजवा देती हूँ। और पंजाबी जगबानी में कवर हो जाएगा।
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश आई ट्राई की हो जाए किसी तरह कवर। लेकिन जब सारे रिजल्ट्स आ जाएंगे उसके बाद ही रिपोर्ट रेडी होगी,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Mr. Jitendra, have you checked the attendance? 4 minutes left. I think, Mr. Jitendra, have you taken attendance? Have you checked?
Jitendra sir, have you created the YouTube link? Sir, children from our school are asking.
I think he's not here.
Mm.
He's not here because he has not replied.
He's not there, ma'am.
He's not there. Rajan sir, please check attendance.
Right.
ठीक है.
It's time already.
हाँ, ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. Next,
Has
ma'am.
Mr. Ganguly joined? Mr. Ganguly. Ritika ma'am has joined.
Madam, Jitendra sir's network is down. He's saying you just continue. I will send the link to you.
Okay. Right. Aarti ma'am has also joined. Ritika ma'am is also here. I cannot see Mr. Ganguly and Meeta. Please join, Meeta, if you are here.
Hi, ma'am.
Akash. Welcome, Akash. Hello, Geeta.
Hi, ma'am.
We are
Good
starting.
morning.
This is time.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Oh, you're most welcome. Um, I think Mr. Dr. Umesh will join after 10 minutes. Um, those who are not speaking can turn their mics off. So the voice is cracking. Aarti ma'am, आपका mic हाँ. It is time already, Mr. Rajan. You can start the program.
Right, ma'am. Mr. Malcolm Vinci once said, "No matter how much falls on us, we keep plowing ahead. That's the only way to keep the roads clear." A very vibrant morning to one and all present here. I, Rajan Bhatia, along with my energetic and dedicated team, welcome you all to this mega event called Vyapar Jankar, the Commerce Festival 2020. We feel honored to have you all here to encourage us in our effort to propagate love for commerce and to be a part of the fest. We feel privileged to welcome our today's guest. We also welcome all the participating teams and their accompanying teachers to this mega event. Dear audience, as you know that the global outbreak of COVID-19 and consequent lockdown has had some significant implication on businesses around the world. From disruption of supply chain, dipped consumer demand, job losses, and crashed stock markets to almost complete stalling of economic and industrial activity. The extent of harm done is beyond belief. Undoubtedly, it's a testing time for everyone. Or when the going gets tough, the tough get going. The need of the hour is to pull up your socks and navigate this crisis as effectively as possible, all the while being optimistic that there is indeed a light at the end of the tunnel. Following the same, DPS Amritsar, despite of challenging circumstances, has once again come up with the idea to articulate the vision of business by providing a platform for the students to exhibit their latent side in a creative and innovative way for the seventh consecutive year. I repeat, seventh consecutive year, drawing in participation from schools of Sahodaya Complex. Before proceeding further, I would like to brief you all about this festival. Firstly, what does it mean? Well, Vyapar means business and Jankar means the knowledge related to business. The main objectives of organizing an event like this are to understand the business environment and to make the students of the region to grow together by providing them with a platform for heal and hearty interaction. Worthy guests, let me acquaint you with the fact that Vyapar Jankar has become a signature event for DPS and it is eagerly awaited every year. When we pray, God hears more than we say, answers more than we ask, gives more than we imagine in His own time and own way. So, with the blessings of God, I would like to invite Mr. Jaspreet for Shabad.
Stop presenting this, please. Stop presenting this, please.
ये नाम है अधारा, ये नाम है सहारा, ये नाम है अधारा, ये नाम है सहारा। सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु। मिट जाने ने जिस्म का परे आत्मा अमर है, मिट जांदे ने जिस्म ता, परे आत्मा अमर है, जिदे अंग संग प्रभ है, ओनू फेर किस दा डर है, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु। हे राम हे राम, हे राम हे राम, जग में सचो तेरो नाम, हे राम हे राम। तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम, हे राम हे राम, हे राम हे राम। तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही सवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही सवारे, इस जग के सारे काम, हे राम हे राम, हे राम हे राम, हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम।
Thank you, sir. Dear audience, today we have eminent guests amongst us from different fields to grace the occasion. So I invite our worthy principal, ma'am, Sangeeta Singh, to extend a formal welcome of the guests.
Good morning, everyone. I'm actually excited to see so many people together today for our Commerce Festival. I extend a hearty welcome to everyone. Just to brief you a little, that we started this festival 7 years ago in 2014. In schools, we do not teach children about financial literacy, entrepreneurship, leadership, and above all, how to handle failure. We only talk about success. But these are some 21st century skills which our children must learn. And through these different programs, we give them very good platform where they can learn these skills, so-called 21st century skills of communication, creativity, cooperation, because tomorrow when they will actually be facing the world, they will require them. This year again, because we are all locked up, Saturday, Sunday is complete shutdown in Amritsar. We are doing this festival online. I was a little nervous about it. Will we be able to do it? Because we are dependent on technology, and technology fails when you actually need it. Today I welcome, we have 10 schools who have joined us today. First of all, I welcome our PVC, Mr. Akash, who has joined us. We have very eminent guests today. To start with, we have Ms. Meeta Mehra, who is a chairperson of FICCI Flow. Ma'am is smiling. Ma'am, welcome to our festival and thanks for the time. Meeta is a business entrepreneur since she was 19 years of age. She started and successfully ran a leather garment business in Chicago, US for six years, then moved to Amritsar and started the brand Divine Chocolate Factory. From a home kitchen to cafe, her company is well established in Amritsar for the past 20 years. Meeta, remarkable journey.
Thank
Welcome.
you so much.
And thanks for sparing your time also.
Thank
We
you, Mani.
also have Miss Ushmeet with us. Ushmeet ma'am, Ushmeet was a journalist of Hindustan Times, where she covered district administration, education, and civic issues. I cannot see Ushmeet ma'am. Nowadays, she runs a restaurant, Burgrill in Amritsar. So we have two ladies running restaurants very successfully in the town. Ushmeet ma'am, are you here? Ushmeet ma'am. I cannot see her. Probably she was there. We also have Ritika ma'am with us. Ritika Maheshwari ma'am is ex-principal and trustee of our school. We have Mr. Umesh with us. I cannot see him also. Ushmeet ma'am has joined us. Ushmeet, welcome and thanks for your time. We have Mr. Ganguly with us. Mr. Ganguly, I cannot see you. Mr. Ganguly is Area General Manager of Punjab Region Hotel Orchid Group of Hotels. If he's here, sir, please. Mr. Ganguly, are you here? I can't see Mr. Ganguly also. Then we have Dr. Umesh. He will be joining us shortly. He is a professor. He was in IIM Amritsar. Recently, he is teaching as assistant professor in International Management Institute, New Delhi. I think he will be joining us. We also have Miss Aarti with us. Aarti ma'am was a teacher in our school, but now she's running school as a principal of DBCS school. Aarti ma'am, thanks for your time and welcome. For different events today, we have different judges, and we have already shared the rubrics with all the judges. Our main events will start after this, and Mr. Rajan will be briefing you shortly about different events. And let me also brief that today 10 schools have joined us. Most of the children tell me, most of the principals also called up and told me that they always look forward to this particular event because a lot of thinking and research is involved. We have teams from Senior Study, Bhavans, Springdale School, Ram Ashram School, and Cambridge School from Amritsar. Along with, we have Guru Nanak Dev DAV Public School, Bhikhi Win, MKD DAV School, and this time 2 schools from different places, different states have joined. One is Pine Grove from Kasoli. I welcome the team of Pine Grove School. Lovely school. I visited this school on lap of nature. Beautiful. And another school is from Jammu, that is Sanskriti School and Pillars Institute from Jammu. So I welcome all the participants, their principals, all the judges and managing committee members. Along with this, our own teachers are here to support you anytime. So thank you, everyone. I'm sure that after the events, you will see that children have actually done a lot of research, and it was a very good experience. I promise a really, really interesting day ahead. Thank you, everyone. Rajan sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Today we will witness 4 events. First, allocation on the topic, how COVID-19 will change consumer behavior. And the event in charge is Miss Amita. Second, the citizen reporter. And the event in charges are Miss Rajni and Miss Shivani. The third one is PowerPoint presentation on the topic, the future of travel and tourism after COVID-19. And the event in charge is Mr. Anirudh. And the fourth one is exhibit your creative writing, decision making, and critical thinking skills on the topic which will be given to you at the start of this event.
email आएगा उसका link का भी होगा.
So event in charge is Ms. Radha Manchanda. So links for each event will be generated in the chat box in a short while. So I would request all worthy guests, participants, and accompanying teacher to click the link of your respective events. So there are certain rules which are to be followed in each event. First, you have to keep your mics on mute until you are asked to speak. I repeat, you have to keep your mics on mute until you are asked to speak. And second, please do not share your screen during the event. So all the best to the participating teams, and I hope either you will win or you will learn from today's events. Thank you,
Mr.
everyone.
Raji, one second, Mr. Ganguly has just joined us. I welcome Mr. Ganguly. I have already introduced Mr. Ganguly. He's the General Manager of Punjab Region Royal Orchid Group of Hotels. Sir has just joined. Sir, welcome. Welcome to our function today. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. I am there, ma'am. No problem.
We also have Mr. Karan Khanna, who is a chartered accountant. He will also be judging. He's one of the judges for the event. So I think Mr. Ganguly has just joined, sir. Now we will be dispersing. We will be going to, after clicking on the link which is shared on this chat box, we will be going to our events. I may again can brief that citizen reporter. We have reporters, Ms. Schmidt, Ritika ma'am, Ritika Maheshwari, and Karan Khanna. Kindly click on the link which has been shared. Mr. Jatinder, you can brief little more about how to go and join in that event. Links have been shared in the chat box.
Yeah,
All
ma'am. The links will be shared in the chat box. The name of that event and the link will be shared there right now. So students can move into that. We are sending a private invitation to all the judges for the event.
सर आप जजेस को ब्रीफ कर दो कैसे ज्वाइन करना है और बच्चों को भी ब्रीफ कर दीजिए प्लीज कैसे ज्वाइन करना है.
Ma'am, the links are shared in the chat window.
Okay.
The judges will be sent, the private invitations will be sent to judges on their email IDs. So they can click on that and they can join that session. Or they can click on the link which has been shared there in the chat window and they can join from there also.
Okay. I can see critical thinking link has been shared. All those students who are participating in critical thinking, kindly click on the link and join. For others also, kindly share the links. Link for citizen reporter has been shared. Kindly click on the link and join. All the students, teachers, click on the link. 2 links have been shared so far.
The PowerPoint link is coming, ma'am.
Okay. Simi ma'am, your link is your link functional? Kindly check. Link for allocation. Is it functional, ma'am? Please check.
Hi, ma'am. This is Meeta. I'm unable to. I haven't got the email as a judge.
Okay. Jatinder sir, Meeta ma'am's email for PowerPoint presentation. Simi ma'am, आपका link active नहीं है.
Ma'am, I'll post again.
हाँ, please post again. PowerPoint link we are sending, ma'am. अभी आ रहा है.
Can I just go to them through the links in the chat box? If you just tell me which
हाँ,
one.
yes, yes.
But which
PowerPoint
one am
अभी
I
Yeah, ma'am.
supposed?
chat box में भी.
PowerPoint link send now. PowerPoint link is there, ma'am. It's in the email now.
ईमेल में आ गया है और
Yes,
चैट
ma'am.
बॉक्स में भी डाल दो प्लीज. बच्चों ने भी ज्वाइन करना
Yes,
है.
ma'am. It is coming in the chat box also.
All right. I can see critical thinking. I can see citizen reporter. The other link is not active, ma'am. Simi, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's there now.
Now it is there. Yes. Link. Please write the name. Yes. Allocation link is ready. Students and teachers, principals, they can join. PPT link is not visible, sir.
Yeah, it's there, ma'am. I've just posted it.
Only citizen reporter link is missing. Citizen reporter.
Ma'am, it's
Citizen
there.
reporter is there. It is there. Navdeep sir has already posted at 11:48. Citizen reporter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, can you please again share the link for elocution? It's not opening. I cannot join the meeting. And I've
Alright.
rejoined the main meeting again.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
This is link is ESYCUVS. You can see this under Simi Devgan 11:49 link for allocation.
Ma'am, actually the chat
Ma'am,
has
actually,
disappeared.
yeah, exactly,
It happened the
yes.
same with me also. We
Pardon
joined the
me?
same, ma'am, we actually, we clicked that link and we joined this link again and the chat is clear now. There is nothing.
Yeah, it disappears
there.
after
Yeah,
rejoining.
yeah.
Mr. Jitendra?
Simi ma'am, Navdeep sir, Rajni ma'am, please repost the links.
Continue to repost. Continue to repost. Children are saying as soon as we are clicking on the link, it disappears. Sonam Tandon has not been able to join critical thinking link. Kindly resend. If you have the email IDs, please share it on email also.
Accept नहीं कर रहे अभी कर रहे होंगे join.
I've got the link and it's there. So shall I just join that room?
Yes, yes. Please
Yes,
join.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then I have to exit this room, right? I'm
Yes,
sorry, I'm new
yes.
to Google Meet. So just wait.
Okay. Yes, you have to exit. Yeah, you have to join the other room. Yes.
All right. Thanks, ma'am. Doing it now.
Thank you. Ushmeet ma'am, आपका link आ गया?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, I'm Jessica from Pine Grove. Actually, I just clicked on the link for elocution and I've been waiting for 5 to 6 minutes, but it still says that the meeting has yet to start. So shall I just keep waiting?
Yeah, just wait. Yeah, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, ma'am. Due to some network connectivity issues, we are facing this problem right now. So just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that you will be able to join that.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, today some light has gone in some of the places in Amritsar. So due to that, the internet connectivity is slow now.
Jitendra sir, you just stay here for 10 to 15 minutes so that if anybody face any problem, they can contact you.
That session will be, sir, that session will be online for the whole time. If anybody faces any problem, he or she can join that session back and I will help her.
Good morning, Rajan sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Sir, वो students are saying कि जो PPT presentation वाले, they are not letting in, so they are facing problem.
Yeah, I am letting them in. I am letting them in, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No issues.
Sir, can you share the link again, as I cannot see it there.
Which event, beta?
PPT, sir.
PPT.
Okay. PPT link is coming now with the name Jatinder Singh.
Rajan, Jitendra sir, Mr. Ganguly's link has to be sent. Ushmeet ma'am's link has to be sent. She's a citizen reporter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've got it. I
Okay.
am just gonna exit from this group and I think join that meeting.
You join that
Yeah?
one. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
करण, आपको सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ज्वाइन करना है? करण, जितेंद्र सर, अभी मेरे ख्याल पीपीटी का लिंक लोगों ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया. मिस्टर गांगुली, आई कैन सी.
Ma'am, please can you share the link for citizen reporter?
सिटीजन रिपोर्टर्स लिंक. ये आप चैट बॉक्स में देखो सिटीजन रिपोर्टर का लिंक.
Good afternoon, ma'am. And had the entries in the PPT one accepted?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, we are not in.
Yeah, ma'am. Send the request. I am.
Which school, beta?
Align them.
So already sent. Sir, Springdale's. I'll rejoin. Can you send the link again?
Which event?
Sir, PPT.
PPT, right.
For the PPT link is not working. Children are
Ma'am, it's working. Yeah, it's working now, ma'am. It's working. I'm letting them in.
Jitendra sir, you have to let Mr. Ganguly in.
Yes, ma'am.
Citizen, he's a citizen reporter. No, he's in PowerPoint presentation, hotel, revival of hotel industry. सिटीजन रिपोर्टर का करण, आपको लिंक नहीं मिला?
क्या करें,
आपको वो सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ज्वाइन करना है सर?
करण सर, यू आर इन सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ना? ये पावर पॉइंट वाला लिंक है.
Sir, when are we going to start with this event, PPT?
Yes, sir. I'm just telling. I'm just admitting the students right now.
Okay.
Jitendra sir, please let Gurjot Kaur enter the meeting.
Yeah, ma'am. The request is not coming right now in my screen.
All right, sir. I'll just let her know about how to enter.
जितेंद्र सर, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन जो है,
Yes, ma'am.
आपने मिस्टर गांगुली को लिंक भेजा. आई कैन सी हियर. इज दिस द प्लेस वेयर ही हैज टू बी?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. sujan.ganguly@rediffmail.com. I have sent the link there. It's on the rediffmail.com.
सिटीजन करण, आपको सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ज्वाइन करना है. करण, आपको सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ज्वाइन करना है. प्लीज ज्वाइन करिए.
Karan sir, your mic is off. Karan sir, your mic is off.
करण आप सिटीजन रिपोर्टर ज्वाइन करिए.
This is the last. चेक करिए लास्ट यही है.
सिटीजन रिपोर्टर का लिंक दिखाई दे रहा है, इधर देखो चैट बॉक्स में लिंक आया हुआ है.
काम करिए पर इन्वॉल्व
I've just started the recording for this session. अगर आप में से कोई भी exit हो जाता है automatically, please rejoin the session.
नहीं, ये कौन सा सेशन है जितेंद्र?
ये मैम PowerPoint का सेशन पैरेलल चल रहा है ना अभी?
नहीं, आपने ये इसी सेशन में पावर पॉइंट कंटिन्यू किया है?
नहीं मैम, it is a separate. I am having two windows right now.
ओके ओके. मिस्टर गांगुली ज्वाइन करना है पावर पॉइंट, वो अभी भी यही है, इसका मतलब उनको लिंक नहीं मिला है.
Ma'am, Mr. Ganguly, can you click on that link there with the under the name Jitendra Randhawa?
उसमें चले जाइए इवेंट में.
In the chat window.
प्लीज अपने इवेंट में चले जाइए करण.
चैट विंडो कहाँ लिखो? किस लैपटॉप से?
अमृत, करण को कहो अपने इवेंट में जाए, उसको समझ. कहाँ? यहाँ से एग्जिट नहीं हुआ.
उनके नंबर है.
आप उसको बोलो यहाँ से एग्जिट हो जाए.
Karan sir.
इनको एग्जिट करवा दो, ये पता नहीं ये दोनों तरफ.
करण सर, आप इस वाली विंडो से ना, जो ये मेन विंडो है, उससे एग्जिट कर दें प्लीज.
902-957 जतिंदर रंधावा. जतिंदर.
Ganguly sir.
Yes.
Sir, see, there are at the top. You are using phone or you are using a laptop?
No, I would like to use the laptop, but somehow it is showing the same to verify is you.
Okay, sir. So, sir, just do one thing. You are live in the meeting right now, and just see the top right corner. In the top right corner, you will see a chat button there. There is a chat symbol there.
Yeah,
just
sure.
click on the chat symbol. Have you clicked on that?
Yes.
Now, sir, see, there is my name written, Jitendra Randhawa. Below that, there is one link.
Yep.
Just click on that link, sir. So, are you able to click on that link? Yes, sir. Now you are into the PowerPoint, sir. Yeah, Ganguly sir.
Sir, can we start with?
Yes, sir. Now we can start. The Ganguly sir is there in our presentation module now.
So, may we start with the
Yes, sir. We can start with the proceeding now, sir.
Okay, Veer Amrit, please start with the program.
Okay, sir. In these COVID-19 times, we are locked up physically, but not mentally.
ये हम कौन सी इवेंट में आए हैं?
मैम जितेंद्र सर ने 2 विंडोज खोली हुई हैं, उसके करके हमें आवाज आ रही है.
उनको तो नहीं जा रही हमारी आवाज?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please keep your mic off.
Done, sir. Done.
There's lots of echo. Okay, Veeramrit, please start fresh.
Principal ma'am, I have sent you the link of that PPT now. So you can also join that PPT wala event.
I would like to go for allocation first.
Okay, ma'am. Then you can join. Click on that link, allocation wala, and you can go to that particular event. After that, I have sent you the invitation for PowerPoint also.
Okay, okay.
This main window will be there, ma'am, for the whole session. If anybody faces a problem, he or she can join back, and I can help them.
Yes, please begin.
Which is for allocation you have, which is the link for allocation?
Also been acutely affected as the gatherings are confined and people are spending as rationally as possible. In the meantime, there is a huge shift seen in the purchase of bicycles due to the closure of gyms, which is creating a positive environmental impact. The makeup industry has also been acutely hit. With masks becoming a must-have extension, the consumer's focus appears to have shifted from lipsticks to eye makeup products. If demonetization compels people to shift towards cashless payments, COVID-19 has made online shopping an integral part of our lives. Even in countries that have partially reopened, consumer optimism continues to be low and spending intent is still below pre-crisis level. In this chaos created by the pandemic, 40% of the consumers are stocking up kitchen supplies, with 70% of the consumers preferring home-cooked meals. Restaurants have seen 90% drop in the visits. The demand for hand care and hygiene essentials will witness an exemplary growth. Products like sanitizers and masks will see massive penetration even in Tier 2 or Tier 3 towns and rural areas. But only the brands that will be nimble enough to capture the pulse of these changes and make timely alterations will thrive in this uncertain market environment, because the consumers will be reluctant to start venturing out, going to places after months of self-isolation. So retailers need to tailor their marketing strategies in order to entice the consumers. The world will definitely come through COVID-19 and global recession